Welcome to the genuine discussions of class 12th mathematics. Now I'm bothering definite integrals. If I'm given a question, integrate 1 to 3 x to the power 4 dx. So integration of x to the power 4 dx is x to the power 5 by 5 plus c. The basic difference is, in this case you won't write this plus c. Give a rectangular bracket, this is 1 by 3. In fact, if there is a constant, it can easily come out. What most of the students do not do, so they are lost in the question. Now, finally, in place of x put 3. So this is 3 to the power 5. Give a minus sign. In place of x put 1. So this is 1 by 5. 3 to the power 5 is 243 minus 1, which is 1 by 5 into 242, which is 242 by 5. So you can make out the difference that I told that in indefinite integral, if you are not writing a plus c, you are losing 0.5 marks, and in this, if you are writing the plus c, you are losing 0.5 marks. Coming to another sum, let me say 1 to 4 root x dx, which is x to the power 1 by 2 dx, 1 to 4, and this is x to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2, divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2, is 1 to 4. So this 3 by 2 can be written as 2 by 3, and 2 by 3 itself is a common, is a constant, so taken common. Now in place of x I will write 4 to the power 3 by 2 minus 1 to the power 3 by 2. Four to the power 3 by 2 is 4 to the power 3 into 1 by 2, which is 4 to the power 3 whole to the power 1 by 2, which is square root of 4 to the power 3. Now square root of 4 to the power 3 is 64, that is 8. So this is 8 minus 1 to the power anything is 1. So this is 2 by 3 into 7, which is 14 by 3. Here what you're doing is, all the way till this step, x to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, you are basically doing the indefinite integral. Finally, you are just placing the values. That's it. Let's do 0 to 1, 1 by 1 plus x square. Now this is the direct formula. This is tan inverse x. So this is tan inverse, in place of x write 1, minus tan inverse, in place of x write 0. Now tan inverse of 1 is how much? For that, let's go with this table. Let me explain you how do you remember the values. So just write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, divide every term by 4. Finally, place a root over. 0 by 4 is 0, root over of 0 is 0, 1 by 4 root over of 1 by 4 is 1 by 2, this is getting cancelled as 1 by 2, so this is 1 by root 2, This is root 3 by root 4, which is 2, is gone. This is 1. These are the values of sine theta. This is 0 degree, this is 30 degree, this is 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. This is the technique that most of the students and teachers are not aware of. For that reason, many students tend to merely mug up, and in the final exam they write differently, they write wrongly. Sine 30 they write as root 3 by 2. But if you remember this technique, this is done with you forever. For cos theta, just write in the reverse order. This is 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2 and 0. Writing in the reverse order. Tan theta is sine theta by cos theta, so 0 by 1 is 0. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2, this is getting cancelled. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2, 0 by 1 is 0. This is coming to be 1 by root 3. This by this is getting cancelled, merely 1. This by this 2 to getting cancelled. Root 3 by 1 is root 3. 1 by 0, anything by 0 is infinity. 0 by anything is 0. So that basically takes this shape. And the question I was doing is tan inverse 1 is how much? Basically meaning tan's which value is 1. This is 45 degrees. This is 45 degrees minus tan's which value is 1. Sorry, 0. Tan 0. So this is 0. In higher classes, we do not bother angle in degrees. We bother 180 degree as pi radian. To the power sec is the symbol. So 1 degree is pi by 180 radian. 45 degrees will be pi by 180 into 45. And while cancellation, you can make it, this is coming to be pi by 4 radian. Similarly, 1 degree is so much. 0 degree is pi by 180 into 0, which is 0 radian. So this comes to, I won't write degrees, I will write like pi by 4 minus 0, which is pi by 4. Definite integral itself is just one extra step to the answer of the indefinite integral. Normally integrate. Finally, just put the value to get the answer. Join me in the next discussion to go with some more problems. Thanks for watching.